Hello and welcome. Today we'll be learning about sets and loops in our Spider IDE. So a set like list and tuples can be homogeneous as well as heterogeneous. So suppose set 1 equals to in curly braces 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and set 2 is true, false, false. So let's print both the sets and also the type of sets. So save it and run it. Okay, so I have uncommented homogeneous also and heterogeneous also. So let me comment these out and then run it. So as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 false, true is getting printed over here. So as you can see, there are 3 values, true, false, false. So sets do not take duplicate values. So it printed only false and true. So the type of this set over here is class set. So now sets can also be heterogeneous, but they do not take in duplicate values. So suppose ABC 34 false to 40 female. So if I wrote again ABC and then I printed set 3, so I'll get false 34 to 40 ABC and female getting printed. So as you can see, sets are unordered. So this is not printing it in the order in which we have declared, but in any random order. It is printing this set over here. Again, if we printed the type of it, it's saying class set because sets are unordered. So if you have to add an item to a set, you can use this function, which is dot add method. So suppose to this set 3 over here, I want to add first name, the string first name. So let's see. As you can see, the first name string has been added randomly anywhere in the list. Now you can add another set to one set or even a list or a tuple also to one set. So suppose set 1. So this was a set 1 over here consisting of homogeneous integers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And to this we want to add this set 2 over here. So we'll use the update method which says to set 1 add set 2. So set 1 will be altered, set 2 will remain the same. So for you guys, I'm going to be printing set 2 as well to show that set 2 is getting unaltered. So it will print true, false or false, true. Set 2 will print true, false or false, true. And set 1 will print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as well as true and false values. So as you can see over here, this set is printing false 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and set 2 is remaining unaltered. So now you can also remove items from a set using the remove method. So suppose I want to remove first name from set 3. As you can see, set 3 till over here was this. And after this remove method, it got reduced to false 34 to 40 ABC female and it removed the first name string. Now, if the item to remove does not exist, then this remove method will raise an error. So see, there is no string as last name in set 3. So this will raise a key error over here. But if item to remove does not exist, the discard method on the set will not raise an error. So let me comment this out, otherwise the code will not run. So set 3.discard last name will not raise an error. So as you can see, it did not raise an error. Now we can loop through sets but only using for loop. While loop is not allowed because while loop uses indexes and indices. And in set there is no particular order. So only for loop can be used. So this set equals to apple, banana, cherry. So for x in this set, print x. So I'll run this for you. And cherry, apple, banana is getting printed in any which way order. So if I refreshed it and run again, then this time also cherry, apple, banana got printed. If I'll suppose restart this kernel and I pressed yes, and again ran this. So this time it has printed banana, cherry, apple. Now you can try looping over it using while, but this again will give a random order. It did not run. So there is a type error because set object does not support indexing. So while loops do not run on sets. Thank you for watching.